We're a young family. It's really difficult to try and get the balance of work and social.
Working from home absolutely does not work for us.
I'm currently working in the kitchen. How am I going to do my work when you're being noisy?
I don't know!
I've got like a small laptop that I work on. I just sit on the bed. Downstairs can become a bit of a playroom, really.
Jasmine being 16, she wants like a bit of a space that's not just toys.
Living with 13 years age gap is chaotic.
We don't really know what to do.
We 100% need help.
It's got a bit crowded because we work from home.
The setup just does not work at all. The living room actually is quite a big room, but it looks quite small. It is amazing.
This is not my room.
Just feels so warm and cosy and snug, which is what I always wanted out of the living room. It gives us everything we need as a family. This storage space was amazing. When I first saw that, I instantly thought that must be bespoke because it fits perfectly and it looks beautiful. And I just love the fact that you can pull the blind down and it becomes our family space again. It's home. This has sort of become Luana's toy room. I don't really like it. It's not very comfortable in here.
I absolutely love it. It feels like we've extended the house.
It feels like a whole new room. I've obviously got my desk, which means I can work in here, and best of all, storage for Luana. Woo, look at that.
It's brilliant. The design of the room works so well for all of us, and we're over the moon with it.
When I do my college work, I sit on my bed. After a while, my knees are cracking, my back's hurting.
This bedroom is amazing.
Wow.
It's perfect for Jasmine.
I love it. It's amazing.
It's got space where she can chill with her mates. I am loving this bed. It is so comfy. She's got all of this space now, and then she can pull it out and it becomes a double bed. I still can't quite believe that this is actually our home and we live here.